everyone, welcome back to my channel. PlannerGirlMek here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And we are working on a weekly spread. Oh my goodness, I don't remember the last time I've done a weekly spread, but guess what, girl, they are coming back. We are working on the first week of April, which is April 4th through the 10th, which was last week. Yes ma'am, for being on time. We are using a kit from ThePlannerShack, one of my all-time favorite shops. And oh my goodness, this kit spoke to me. As soon as she posted it, I was like, I have to have that. Like, I have to have it. It's got my name on it. If you want to go snag this kit and get 35% off, you can use PlannerGirlMek 35, but I believe she is having a fabulous sale. So girl, you don't have to use my code. You just get that 50% off. I think there's a 50% off sale right now. So I will not be mad if you don't use my code. It's okay. I get it. But just leave in the comments that Meek sent ya. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's head on over. And I believe I'm about to show you the PNGs of the full kit. I don't normally use the entire kit, but I do want to show you all what you will get in this kit, what it includes, so you can put your own little twist on it, because this kit is beautiful. You get more than enough pages and stickers on what you want to do. These are PNG files, so you can crop your kits just from this image, which is the same thing you can do with other kits. They do have, other shops do have kits that are pre-cropped, but it's really easy to crop a kit just from the PNG file. Super easy. I have a few videos showing you how to do that, but y'all, this kit, if you know me, if you've been following me for a while, you know I am here for the earth tone, warm browns, creams, you know, the caramel effect of colors. I'm here for it. And when I saw this kit, I literally screamed and I was like, I just want everything. I need it in my life. I have to use it. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but I'm going to use it. So I immediately went and bought it. I don't think I downloaded it till like 2 or 3 weeks after I purchased it, but I just knew this kit was going to be used sometime this year, and April was the time. So here I'm just showing you that I have the kit all cropped, ready to go, pre-cropped for the video. And yeah, I pre-crop, I do all of my cropping and everything before I start the video, because that will make the video super long. So I just have that done already. So now things are about to quickly start to speed up, but not too fast, because I know y'all will be like, Meeks, what's going on? If you watched my last journal with me video, you saw that I joined the Glam Marks Society, and here is a quick little glimpse. If you haven't watched that video yet, please watch it after you watch this one. But this is a glimpse of some of the fashion dolls that came in the first subscription box, and I will be using one of these girls. I picked one. I'm about to show you. I picked her. She's fabulous, but I ended up going with a different fashion doll once all of the boxes came together. You'll see. You'll see. But here I'm showing you that we are about to get into it and speed things up a tiny little smidget. So y'all, I haven't done a plan with me using a weekly kit in so long, because I think my last couple of videos I was trying to show you guys how to use Pinterest and how to use just clip art and how to, you know, try to spice things up in your planner to make it your own. But in my heart of hearts, I love using planner sticker kits. It's just my thing. I love it. It just makes me happy when I look at my planner and I see it. It's just, I am a fancy planner. I like seeing fancy boxes. I do. I don't know why I did that. I took a picture. Like I said, it's been a while since I've planned like this, so I am really kind of refreshing myself. I had to pull up the PNG to see which two boxes belong next to each other for the double box. Y'all don't come for me, okay? I'm here. I'm learning. Another thing that I went back to the basics and did, and you'll see me pop that up in a minute as I'm finagling with the boxes, but the washi banner, not the washi banner, but the headers, I started not using them in every single box, but this spread I was like, I want to use it in every box. I want to see what that looks like. So I did that, and I sped through that, and I made sure that you saw how I quickly did that in the end. So here I have adjusted all of them to fit in the box, and then I just put each one in each individual box, and then I highlighted that and I duplicated that at the bottom, and then again at the last row of boxes. See, there you go. And so then I just copied that row and moved it over because I was doing the different color in each other box, if I'm saying that correctly. And then I just go and zoom in and adjust it to make it fit. But it just looks so pretty to me. It reminded me of planning in my paper and pen planner. And I was like, oh my God, why have I stopped doing this? I may not keep doing this. I may go back to doing every other box with the header. I don't know. But you know, I was feeling this today, so I did this today, and I absolutely love it. That's one of the amazing things about using a PlannerShack kit. You have so much that you can do just with one kit. You can literally use it multiple times for multiple things. You can use it as a journal spread, a monthly spread, especially if it's digital. The sky's the limit. I'm just saying. But here I decided to keep that flow going and go ahead and put a header above my sidebar. I will be switching this box for a different one because I will be using a fashion doll from Glam Marks shop from the Society Digital box that we get. But yeah, you see, now I'm just going to go in and you will magically see that all of these boxes are going to be put together. It took me some time to get these together because I just want it to be perfect. I'm kind of a perfectionist when it comes to my boxes. I don't know why, but I just kind of am. Hold on, let me get a sip. This is my second voiceover within 20 minutes because I'm just trying to get this out for you guys. So y'all know when I do back-to-back videos, I gotta have my drink. So my drink of choice today is sweet tea, as always. But I'm getting these boxes together, and I know a lot of you are probably wondering, and sidebar, I apologize in advance if I'm talking too fast. Sorry. But I know a lot of people wonder why I keep the decorating aspects of my Plan With Me's in my Plan With Me's. Whereas, you know, most don't do that. A lot of you asked for me to keep this in. So I try to keep a little bit of it in at a time. I don't always, you know, show you my headers. I don't always show you my full boxes. I try to do different things. But a lot of you have told me that it helps you for me to keep the decorating aspects of the Plan With Me in there. So I just wanted to make sure that I did that. So if there was a part of the video that you're like, Meks, I really like this, how did you do it? I'll do something similar in my next Plan With Me, or one that follows to show you how I did that, basically. So there I am putting together my bottom washi that came from the kit, and it is so beautiful. Those florals that I'm moving around now, and it's also on top of the date covers. I got that from Canva. Those particular florals are from the Pro Edition, but they do have a ton of flowers that you can get with the free edition. Just only thing, when you don't have the Pro, you can't do a PNG with a transparent background, but you can also use the Magic Eraser app to get rid of the white background. So there's a way to work around it. So now we're getting into our day-to-day. So on Monday, I had to update my military ID, and I went and did that. I'm a military spouse. I did not serve myself, but I am a military spouse. So yes, I had to get my ID updated, and I'm changing that to the autography font and making it look all pretty, centering it with that beautiful deco square box. And I am using the coffee table book clip art from the kit with a floral from Canva. At the bottom here, what did I put? Oh, I'm just marking that I signed up for Glam Marks Society. I don't know if I signed up for it that particular day, but I know I signed up for it. I signed up for it early, like before it opened. I was like, I'm getting in on this now. I know there was a deadline to sign up so you can get the April boxes. So, yes, I signed up early. And I'm just adding in the 3 fashion dolls that I use in my journal with me to decorate that box. And again, adding more florals from Canva. So cute. So where are we on planning? Are you guys caught up? Are you like me? I'm not caught up, but I'm not moving back. I'm like, I don't know. I might do some rewind spreads. I do have 2 Plan With Me's that I screen recorded from February and possibly one from March, I believe. If you guys would like to see those and say, yeah, Meeks, please do the memory spreads. We would love to see that. Let me know. I can do that for you. Here I am changing out my dates because I got this kit and it said rose gold and it's not rose gold. That is pink. Some people interpret rose gold as pink gold and others interpret it as kind of like a bronze copper. It's different. It depends on who you're talking to. And it just didn't, it's beautiful, but it's just not the shade of rose gold that I wanted for this spread. So yeah. So that first box I marked that I finished and posted my journal with me picture spread to my Instagram, and I posted that. And then I also posted down the bottom that I needed to edit the video, which I didn't do until now. So this is like a week later, but it's okay. I was on vacation, okay? Give me a break. And then I was looking for my laptop emoji picture and I couldn't find it. So I need to go through and organize my stickers again, which is going to be a task because I know I have them in a Goodnotes file somewhere. I just don't know where they are. Excuse me. On Wednesday, the kids had an unplanned half day because of the weather. They should have just not had school that day, but they got out early, so we had to pick them up early from school. And yeah, so that was cool. But then once I picked them up from school, I came back home and I organized my pantry. I was getting in pre-vacation mode. I'm the type of person, you tell me if you're different. I like to clean before I go on vacation because when I come home, I'm already going to have to clean all of the stuff from vacation, like laundry and, you know, what have you, and stuff that we take with us. I don't want to have to come home and clean up my entire house. Call me crazy. But that's just my brain tells me clean before you go. So that's what I do. But anywho, I know I'm a little weird when it comes to my cleaning. But this Wednesday, excuse me, was my son's 8th birthday. And if you follow me on Instagram, you saw how emotional I was. I was not ready for it. I was not ready for it. Oh my goodness. So here I am just placing down a picture of me and him when he was a teeny tiny baby, because he will always be that teeny tiny baby to me. And he's like, Mom, I'm 8 years old. I'm like, I don't care. You're forever my baby. And yeah, so I officially have a 12-year-old and an 8-year-old. It hasn't processed yet. No, not even a little bit. And here I am placing down an Instagram icon because I posted a reel to Instagram and that was the cover picture of that reel. And I'm also posting that I had some cleaning to do. So we are moving on to Thursday. I'm going to fix that date. Those dates are so cute. I'm going to find a way to use them. I'll find like a pink spread sometime this summer to use them. But no, we're moving on to Friday. Lord, y'all, work with me. Okay, just yell at me while I know y'all yelling at me. It's okay. I feel it. It's all right. Friday, the kids had a half day, but I was prepping for vacation. I went ahead and did my hair. I did some mini twists in my hair. I had to wash, deep condition, blow dry, all that good stuff, and start my mini twists. The kids had a half day, and it was the start of their spring break. Pray for me. um, that was pretty much the gist of the day. That's why there's nothing down at that bottom box, because me having to do my hair alone is a full day and a half. So yeah. Excuse me. We are almost done, y'all. Almost done. Okay, so on Saturday, I went to the grocery store and I went shopping for our vacation trip. And I also did some more cleaning. Is that what I was going to say? Yes, I did some more cleaning, and then I plan to come back to YouTube this day that I'm talking to you. Today is the 15th, but I had already planned in my brain, okay, after vacation, we're going to get back into recording videos, voiceovers, and all that stuff, setting a schedule, being mindful of my me time, and wanting to actively, do stuff with my social media again. So I'm just posting a YouTube icon with some fancy stickers. And then on Sunday, I packed the kids' clothes, my clothes, and my husband's clothes. I'm that mom / wife. I just have to make sure everybody has everything they need. And yeah. But here I'm just fixing these dates, making sure it looks great. I'm also going to go in and put the weekend banner, weekend wording over the washi banner that I created using the PlannerShack's glitter headers and bow headers. I do that in silhouette, but you can do it in Goodnotes. I've done plenty of videos with that. I will have them tagged if I remember. If I don't, just say, hey Meks, which video is it? And I will tag it up there, because I'd be forgetting stuff, y'all. But yeah, I'm just adding some blingage, making it look cute and stuff. And I'm going to add that weekend banner, but I'm going to switch that one to a different one, to like a gold one, like a rosy gold type one. Like, see, is that copper? Like, that seems rose gold to me. Are my colors wrong, y'all? Let me know. Say, Meks, no, that's gold. You need to look at a gold. But it's like a darker, it's a different kind of gold, right? What is it? Tell me. Comment down below. What are the different shades of rose gold? Because I don't know. But I know that one is my favorite with that weekend banner. Okay. I'm going to add in some little bling poppage here, because it would not be a PlannerGirlMek spread without it. And with that, y'all, we have completed week 1 of April. Yay! As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. All right. Thank you guys. Bye, guys.